India in 1950 from South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi organized satyagraha back to back, first in Champaran, then after in Kheda, and after in Ahmedabad. All these successful movements were done by Mahatma Gandhi in 1917, 1918 and 1918 as usual. Finally, Britishers decided to pass a law to control all these revolutionary activities in 1919. They came with one law. The particular law is known as the National and Revolutionary Rights Act 1919. Here, all the Indians were under pressure because there was one procedure. Britishers can arrest anyone without trial for 2 years. All were prominent leaders of Punjab who were arrested. Finally, people of Punjab, they decided to protest against this law, injustice. Mahatma Gandhi called Hartal on 6th of April 1990. Massacre, that was 13th April 1990. All the people living in Punjab, Amritsar, they were just celebrating the day, that is festival Massacre. On this day, they all were aware about one law, that is martial law. Martial law was denying all the peoples to gather. They gathered in the Jallianwalla. General Dyer was ordered to open the fire. Many more were killed. According to the report, British report, 600 people were killed, but according to the really documentation of Indian National Congress, 1,000 people were killed. So that this day is very, very memorable. All the people living in Punjab, they were under pressure. So I hope you understood about particular day. Students, you also can